this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get a free $200 no deposit bonus from Vittaverse. And to make sure you don't miss any of the crucial informations, make sure to watch this video from the beginning till the end. The first step is signing up on the website. So I'm going to link them in the description box below. So you have to register your name, your country, and your phone number, then your email, and click on accept the terms, or you can simply just sign up using Google. So after you signed up and you're logged in, this is the first two notifications you are gonna get. The first is urging you to verify your email, while the second is to verify your ID, that is the KYC. So click on the verify the email. It's going to take less than a minute, and on the verify your profile, you are going to upload the front image of your ID, and it took roughly, I think, 12 hours. To check later after you've been verified, simply click on this three dash on the top left corner and click on profile, then click on profile again. Then it's going to show all your informations and your email, and you can see right here it says your profile is verified. So now, whilst your ID is still under investigation, here is what you can do to quickly secure your no deposit bonus. Click on this three dash icon at the top left corner and click on prop trading. Then zoom out like this on your dashboard. If you're using a laptop, you shouldn't have this problem. Then scroll all the way to the left like this and click on this where it's showing PNG like this, and click on new challenge. Then it's going to show all the challenge available, and it's all for free, but we are going specifically for the no deposit bonus. So I no longer have it here because I already chose it. So it's going to look something like this. As you can see, no deposit bonus. Then what you should do is click on details, click on details like this, and click on buy. So after you've selected the no deposit bonus, it might take a couple of minutes, but it's going to reflect. So as you can see, I'm still on the prop trading, so you have to scroll all the way down. As you can see, I already have the $200 deposit bonus, and all you need to do is scroll all the way down to this where it says overview, then scroll to the right side like this and select account. So as you can see, here is my account. I want to show you guys how you can log in on MT5. So click on copy this Vittaverse as the server. Don't copy the server, just the Vittaverse. So go on to your MT5 and paste the server name. As you can see, it's going to show Vittaverse. Then copy your login details, click it right there, and then copy your password, and you have it right there. Click on done, and it's going to log in. So that is all about the login process. Now here are the objectives. As you guys know, there is always a catch. The profit target is $100. That is, the minimum withdrawal and the maximum withdrawal is $100. So you must make $100 to even place a withdrawal. The minimum trading days is 20 days. The time limit is 40. So the entire challenge cycle is 40 days. The max trading drawdown is 184, which is roughly $16. The max daily drawdown is 5%, which is $10. So you cannot lose $10 in a day. And at any point, if you hit $16, the account is gone, and the minimum and maximum withdrawal is $100. I hope I have done justice. So if you guys enjoyed this video or get any value from it, make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification. And also, if you want to get early updates, join my Telegram channel where I share my updates earlier on than here on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.